Добрый день! Привет! Hello everyone who is here to improve their Russian. Today we continue talking about the personal pronouns in 6 different cases. I'll briefly remind you what the 6 cases are and why we need to change the pronouns. And yes, our main focus today is the prepositional case of these pronouns. Я, ты, мы, вы, он, оно, она, они. We change these words when we want to say something like I'm thinking about you. Я думаю о тебе. So it's not ты anymore, but it's о тебе. Why do we do this? Let's discuss it right now. First of all, let's take the table that we made in the previous lesson and see how we change the personal pronouns that you see in the left column in the prepositional case. In the first column, you see the initial or dictionary forms of personal pronouns. Я, ты, and so on. Then you have the accusative case forms. About them, you can watch this video lesson. But today we're discussing the prepositional case forms. So, what are they? Я, мне, ты, тебе, мы, нас, вы, вас, он, нем, оно, нем, она, ней, они, них. That's what we have in the prepositional case. Now the question is, when do we need to use these forms we just learned? When do we need to use them? In what situation? Now, what are the 6 cases actually? The 6 cases are different types of situations. That means that whatever situation you might be talking about belongs to one of the 6 groups, to one of the 6 types of situations. We call them cases. The phrases «Это Джон», «Он студент» are different from the phrases «Это Джон», «Я думаю о нем». Why are they different? Because in the first phrase, we're saying that John is something. While in the second one, John became the object of our thoughts. In the first phrase, we used the personal pronoun he in its nominative form, the initial form, он. While in the second one, we used the prepositional case form, я думаю о нем. Because to be something, a student, an employee, a doctor, and to be an object of somebody else's thoughts, these are 2 completely different situations, right? Now, I'm sure you can feel that difference, but Russians want to emphasize it by using different forms of the same pronoun he. Он, нем. Because the situations are different and we want to show it by how we talk about it. So this is how we change the personal pronouns in the prepositional case. Я, мне, ты, тебе, мы, нас, вы, вас, он, нем, оно, нем, она, ней, они, них. Right, the prepositional case, we need it when somebody or something is the object of our thoughts or speech. And here are the most common verbs that express actions of thinking, communication, or speech. Each of these verbs is followed by the preposition о. Говорить о. спрашивать о, рассказывать о, знать о, думать о, мечтать о, читать о, писать о, вспоминать о, забывать о, разговаривать о, спорить о. Examples. Говорить о. О ком вы говорите? О Наташе? Да, мы говорим о ней. Can you hear how this preposition changed in terms of pronunciation? Говорить о Наташе. Говорить о ней. In a phrase, in a sentence, the preposition о almost always is pronounced as а. Говорить о Наташе. Рассказывать. У меня очень интересная работа. Я могу рассказывать о ней очень долго. Думать о. Ты думаешь о Максиме? Да, я думаю о нем весь день. Мечтать о. В прошлом году я была в Египте и видела пирамиды. Я мечтала о них всю жизнь. Знать о. Что вы знаете о Гагарине? Мы ничего не знаем о нем. Вспоминать о. Это мои друзья. Я вспоминаю о них очень часто. Я вспоминаю. Я вспоминаю о них очень часто. Что вы думаете обо мне? What do you think about me? I'm very curious to know. Что вы думаете обо мне? Attention to how this preposition о is changed when it works with мне, the preposition me, about me. So it's not мне, as was in all the other forms, but обо мне. Обо мне. Что вы думаете обо мне? No jokes, I was serious. Tell me what you think about me, my videos, and our channel in general. Let me know in the comments below. And for those who are willing to start speaking Russian actively in the nearest future, there is an online course that takes only 15 minutes of your time. You watch small video lessons and then you put everything you learn in the lesson into communication with me, as I'm going to call you after each lesson to talk to you in Russian for a little bit. This regular phone communication will help us make sure that you're not learning Russian for some vague, unclear purpose, but you're actually making real steps to communicate in Russian and use everything that you learn in practice right away. So click on the link in the description box to enroll in this course and try it for free. I thank you for learning Russian. Спасибо, что вы учите русский язык. Пока!